Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Parish View in Salford M5 within walking distance of Salford Quays in Media City to show you this lovely 3-bedroom semi-detached family home. As you can see, it's got plenty of off-road parking to the front with a drive, and it benefits from gardens to the side and rear, the beautifully maintained garden benefiting from decking, later lawn grass and paving as well. Properties in this area are incredibly popular due to the close access to transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Manchester city centre. As you head into the property, you go into a porch, leads on through the modern fitted kitchen, the dining space. To the rear of the property, got this really contemporary lounge, complete with a media wall and patio doors to the rear. Property also benefits from being within easy access of amenities, with Regent Road Retail Park just a short distance away as well. On the first floor, towards the front, we have the main bedroom, which is a large double. Straight over, we have the third bedroom. Then the second bedroom just through here, just a good size. And then we have this lovely contemporary 3-piece family bathroom. It's a really, really good style. Get in touch to go give you in today.